Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to merge two cells, and after merging the cells, how can we align the cells within the merged cell. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So for example, I have these cells underneath column 1 and column 2. I want to merge these two cells. So first I will select those cells and then I will press Alt H MM. So it will merge these two cells and make it one cell. So this is how you can merge the cells. If I control Z to go back. So next thing is if I want to merge the cell, but I also want when I write the text within the merge cell, it start appearing in the middle of the merge cell. So I will select this cell and then press Alt H M C. Now it's merged and centrally aligned. So whatever text I'll write, it will start appearing in the middle of this merge cells. So I will press Ctrl Z to go back. And next one is if I want to merge the cell and write my text on the left hand side, I will select these cells and then press Alt H M A. So now when I write within the merge cell, it will appear on the left hand side of the merge cell. If I want to unmerge any cells, so place the cursor on the merged cells and then press Alt H MU. Now you can see it has unmerged the merged cells. So this is how you can use the shortcut key to merge and unmerge the cells, merge within the alignment, merge centrally aligned, merge across a line, all that kind of stuff. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.